Imagine an explosion so powerful, it can outshine an entire galaxy for weeks. That's a supernova, and it's how giant stars say goodbye. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it can no longer support itself against its own gravity. The core collapses in a fraction of a second, then rebounds with unimaginable force. This rebound sends a shockwave tearing through the star, blowing its outer layers into space at incredible speeds. All the heavy elements, like the iron in your blood and the gold in your jewelry, were forged in these explosions.